Hi, today in EzeAccounting Tutorials, we will see how to make payroll. First, let's have a look at our employees list. We can see that we have different joining dates for each employee. If we click on payrolls, we can see the list of payrolls that have been already processed. Let's see this payroll summary. As we can see here, January payroll has only one employee, as this is the only employee who joined 1st January. As we can see again in the employees list, all other employees joined after 1st February. If we try to edit this payroll, add other employees to it, we can see that the totals have not changed. The working days are shown as 0 and no further calculations happened. So let's add a new payroll. Let's select the month, change the date of payroll process to make it end of February. And let's add our employees. We can notice here that the working days of this employee are 17 days. If we check the employees list, we will find that this employee joined on the 12th February. So the salary will be calculated as per that. We add another employee, and we can see that the working days are 28, as this is a February payroll. The salary will be still paid in full. We add the third employee. The working days are 0 because this employee joined in March. Last employee we can see also, working days are 28, so salary is calculated as full. We add a note and then we save. We can view the payroll summary, we can print it or save it as PDF. We can also edit the payroll. Let's add some overtime amount, add an advance deduction. We can see that all the calculations are updated as per the changes we make. Once done, we can save and check our payroll summary. The changes we made are reflected here. We have another feature in payroll. If we click on Action, Bank Letter, we get directed to this page. We need to select the bank from where we are making the payroll transfers, the payroll month select for all staff or only staff with bank accounts, and click View. Then we get the list of employees to be paid for that month. For January, we have only one employee. We can download the list as Excel to send with the letter. In the letter, if we have entered all bank information including our account manager name, bank address, branch name, etc., we will get this information included in the letter. We can download it as PDF to be sent with the Excel sheet. We can see that our employee here doesn't have bank records. If we go back up and select only staff with bank and click View, we can see that the list is empty and the letter is not generated. We can verify from employees list that this employee does not have bank information. In fact, this is a cash paid employee. Let's select February payroll, all staff, and click View. We can see all our 3 employees are in the list. The total amount of this list agrees with the total amount of the letter. What if we select only staff with bank? We can see here we only have one staff with bank details. Let's see what happens. So, the only staff with bank details is in the list, and the total amount in the letter is also changed to match the total amount in the new list. We can now download our letter as PDF and download the payroll list as Excel. In the chart of accounts list, we can see the payroll transactions, payroll liabilities. If we click on the account, we can see the full details. Same for payroll expenses. Also in transactions list, we can see all the double entries and details for the payrolls we have processed. Definitely, the general dashboard has been updated as well. That's all for this video, and see you in the next one.